It would not be in and out if it wasn't this big of a line outside. And during quarantine, this is even worse. Yo guys, I just had to throw this in there. Need roof. English level 1 million. Let's go. Okay, so normally this line is long enough already and it pulls into there, but I guess it goes all the way around this damn parking lot. So I think I might be here for a while. So it's exactly why I brought you guys here along. Okay guys, just ordered. Look how long this line is right now. Like you can see, like it's crazy. Got the goodies in here. I'm not gonna be pulling them out until I get home, but it's been a while. Obviously had to switch plates, but damn. Alright guys, so I've been recording this after it's actually built, but my brother basically has been saving up his money for, I'd say, the past 2 years maybe, just to get this gaming computer that he's been talking about for the longest time. So basically my brother's little backstory, like I've mentioned in my old vlogs, the computer we used to have is an old computer my dad used to have. It was just an i5. It was something very weak, something that he didn't really use too much. That he just kind of passed down to us, and my brother just kind of took hold of it because I wasn't really into computers. I recently also just picked up a 15-inch MacBook Pro. I mean, this is what I'm using to edit these videos now. And he obviously wanted to build a computer because, you know, he likes the game, and, you know, he's been kind of just sitting there with his i5 processor and, you know, kind of a slow graphics card and all that just to play Roblox and stuff. But now he wants to move on. He's got Steam, and basically he just kind of wanted to build this computer. So after finally spending all this money and spending all this time waiting, he's finally built it, and it's right over here, and I'm going to show you guys the process right now. So obviously I didn't want to get the whole work, because obviously that's like 3 hours building this computer, 3 or 4 hours to, like, you know, actually put everything in. They actually ended up having to swap out an SSD and put in another one because the one they had before, for whatever reason, was like corrupted, or I don't know what the hell was going on with that. So they had to swap out the SSD, take out the whole computer out again, and basically I just tried to get what I could.
That's the third dust filter. There we go.
Wait, there's also space on the top too. Finally, I have a room now without even struggling anymore. Because before, like, I was touching this one, you couldn't spin.
There's bugs in there. Yeah, there's still one right there.
We're ready to go.
Okay, now we're missing the fan, Andrew. Buy, unless you can even buy with the lights if you wanna.
Yeah, I am.
All right guys, Andrew has finally finished it up. So the computer is all built right here. He's about to turn it on as soon as he gets back up. Monitor, it's on his way here. He is ordering, I think it's like a 27-inch monitor that he's getting or something. I think it's an LG, it's an ultra wide, but for now this will do. It's just a standard 1080 Samsung monitor. But yeah, so this is his desk right now, and he's, you know, really proud of his little setup. He spent, like I said, you know, well over a year, almost 2 years collecting the money for this computer. So if you guys are curious, the total amount of work that we had to put into this computer wasn't so crazy. The final price came out to be just about $1,200 with tax included. He built it all himself from parts from PC Part Picker and Amazon. It's pushing 32 gigabytes of RAM, and I mean, I'm not too big of a, you know, junkie when it comes to building PCs, but I mean, I can tell you guys that this is one serious computer that he's built. Of course, it could get better. You know, he could have probably pushed for an i9 processor, but this will definitely do for the gaming he's doing right now. So that's his side. Meanwhile, I still got to fix up my side over there. All right, so like I said earlier, bigger monitor coming on the way. It's just taking forever due to coronavirus, and you guys are telling me you guys cannot wait to get another video. So I'm trying to get this out as fast as possible. Ready? Let's see it. Oh, dude, that is sick. That is sick.